Hello everyone. If you don't want to sync your photos and videos to your iCloud, I am going to tell you one way. For this, you have to go to the settings and tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, you will have an option of iCloud mention. You tap on iCloud and then you will have to tap on photos, right? When you tap on photos, you have to make sure that the sync this iPhone button should be off. So the dot that is green should be turned off. When you turn it off, you have to make sure that you tap on download photos and videos so that it does not remove the videos and photos from your iPhone and it is not deleted. But if you tap on remove from iPhone, then all the memory of your iCloud will be deleted. So you have to tap on download photos and video. Right now I'm canceling it, and now you see option of optimize iPhone storage and download and keep originals. You have to make sure that the blue tick is on the download and keep originals, right? So if your phone is low on space, full resolution photos and videos are automatically replaced with smaller device sized version. Full resolution versions can be downloaded from iCloud anytime. This will be done so that the photo takes lesser space, and the previous step that I told you to switch off the sync this phone, it doesn't mean that the iCloud will be deleted, right? You are downloading it in iCloud. Whenever you will sync, the photos will come back. See you in the next video with more such topics. Tada!